How to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now go for any browser you have on your device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and on the search bar just type in youtube.com, and in the youtube.com you will be landed to the homepage of a YouTube application, and then at the top right corner of the section and the screen you can see your profile. So just tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile you will get various options, so just select on YouTube Studio. After selecting on YouTube Studio you will get a screen and homepage like this. So just select on the left side of the screen, which is in the audio library, the last option. So just select on that audio library option and you can see different songs. So here you can see different songs, the artist, the duration, and many more. You can see the plus icon or play icon at the left corner of the screen beside the song's name, and on the right side you can see the option of download. So just if you want to download the file, just select on download and your file will be downloaded. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.